This just in, Jennifer has finally accomplished something that she has been trying to do for months. She states that she finally feels like a real reseller, and that hopefully that this is just the first of many to come. Now, as everyone is wondering, what could this be about? And that is, Jennifer has finally scored a Thredup FUN box. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I got a fun box. I got a fun box. That was kind of dumb, but I'm excited. I have been sitting on Thredup's site for weeks, just constantly refreshing. And here I am watching all my YouTube friends constantly open fun boxes. And I'm just like,
I want a fun box.
So, as I was constantly refreshing, I got a notification that Thredup was having a sale on some of their boxes. So I went on to see, because they said it was clothing, and I absolutely love the men's Thredup box, so I'm like, I'm going to get one of those. And that's when I saw the fun box available. So I purchased it. And then I saw it was still available, so I purchased another one. And then I saw it was still available, so I may have purchased 3. Sorry if I hawked them. But like I said, I do feel like an official reseller now. And I'm so very excited about this moment. The only problem is I have 3 and I have no idea which one to open first. So there's 1 small one and 2 big ones. So I think I'll just open the small one and go with that. Here we go. All of these are from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. I'm not quite sure if I've gotten anything from a different... I remember getting some things from like the Phoenix warehouse, but I don't know if that's just certain things that I've sent in to the Phoenix warehouse. I live in North Carolina now, but I used to live in Oklahoma, so I think a lot of my boxes when I lived in Oklahoma may have gone to the Arizona one. I don't know. I don't know. I just print out the label and send it. Alright. I'm so excited. Alright, so this is the Thredup Rescue Box Fun Box. 10 items. The cost was $32. So, 10 items, that means it's $3.20 a piece, unless there's more than 10, which I will definitely take. But I'm just so excited. This could be complete trash. And I don't think that I would be any less excited because it's a fun box. Alright. Here we go. As I hit everything. Here is the tissue paper. I don't know if it's completely wrapped. Oh, it is completely wrapped. Alright, we'll tear this. Ooh, it's very, very colorful. Alright, you want to do a little quick peek? A quick peek. Quick peek. Ooh, it's so colorful. Oh, these match, so I'm guessing these are a set. Whoa. This is, okay. I don't know. Hold on. Hold that thought. I think this is a robe. Yes. Baby Be Mine. Maternity Nursing. Oh. I wonder if the other one is... Okay. So this is large, extra large. It is a robe. Okay. For like when you're having the baby. So what is this? Oh, it's a little nightgown to wear under the robe. Okay. This is a nice... This is good. But I'm sure I can definitely make some money on this.
I did not do this. I just wore a snap-up pajamas that I got at a thrift store. So, just picture Aunt Ethel. Because it was very moo-moo-ish. But it was the best thing ever. Because it snapped all the way down. It was lightweight. It was perfect for being like in the hospital and nursing. So, I didn't care.
Some other clothing here. We got Kubi size large. It's a little pink bralette. And another Kubi Intimates. Size medium, new a tag. It's a little sports bra. This must be for a teen. Because that's pretty small even for medium. I don't know. Huh. Alright, we got a little flower bag here. Very bright pink. So it's a little drawstring bag. What do you put? Do you put earrings in here or something? I don't know. This doesn't look like it goes together. I don't think. Is this handmade? Maybe this is handmade. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I'm thinking this is handmade. Man, I'm just dropping everything. Okay. And of course, we have socks. This is the Women's Heat Gear All Sport. Under Armour medium 7 to 10.5. Oh, they're really tall. They're like knee-high socks. Over calf. Okay. Get them at TJ Maxx for $5.99. And wherever they originally were for $15.99. So, that's exciting. I would keep these, but I really don't wear socks that high anymore for any reason. Okay, so we got another Jazzed Incorporated. So it says, this item is handmade by artisans using hand-woven silk. The textures and variances are a part of its uniqueness and a reflection of personal human touch. Okay, it has like little beads on the ends. Little drawstring bag. I feel like there's sunglasses in here. Alright. And sunglasses are Sojos? S-O-J-O-S. I don't know. S-O-J-O-S. I don't know anything about, but they're very 50s like. They feel cheap, so I'm gonna guess they're not. They're not on the same line as like Gucci. Lots of little bags here. We have a Kate Spade. Spend it all in one place. Cha-ching. A little pink. It's got the what's that called? And the keychain loop. I know it's a spade, but the word that I'm looking for is eluding me. This has got like a little bit of tarnishing on the zipper and stuff, and some scratches. It was cute. Next, it says it's from Hallmark. Let you read it. It's got a cheetah, because it's just the plain spots are cheetah. This is vegan leather from Hallmark. Little makeup bag. New tag. It's cute. Huh. Okay. So this is interesting. And it's got no tags. But it's just like, it's like this apron thing that has holders right here for like, I don't know, pens maybe? Is this a painter's thing with a whole bunch of spots for paintbrushes? I don't know what this is made for. I don't see any tags. There's no markings. So I guess it's use at your own, use it for whatever you want. Anyone know what this is? I don't know. Oh, we got some earrings. Bauble bar, B-A-U-B-L-E bar. They're little neon pink hearts with gold tone backs. They're pretty heavy. Bauble bar. I have to look that up. It's giving me Betsy Johnson and Lily Pulitzer vibes. Some more jewelry. J. Crew. Comes with the dust bag. It is this very gaudy necklace. It's got like neon yellow and then iridescent mother of pearl-esque. So I'm sure this won't go for like too much, but I know that I can sell it. Someone out there is looking for this specific piece. And hopefully I have the only one. But I'll put up what I can find about it. Not too involved when it comes to jewelry. There you go. Because I just don't know. I just don't know about it. So now we have a full bag of things. First we have Maybelline New York Clear Transparent Mascara. Doesn't show like an expiration or anything, but next is this neon green rubber change purse. That's different. More socks. Ooh, Pro Compression socks. Performance socks and sleeves. These are large, extra large. Like these colors. And then there is another set over here. Very green. Keep it tight. Pro Compression. Alright, I think these will do okay. Compression socks can be pretty expensive. Looks like we have a scarf, 100% cotton, Lily Pulitzer. I don't know how her scarves do. This feels very crisp, so I'm assuming it is new. 100% cotton, pink and yellow floral. Anyone is interested in anything, feel free to message me on Instagram. Headband. It's got little pineapples on it. Stretchy back. I don't see any tag or anything on it. I don't know if this can be, this might be able to come undone. This looks like a face mask. I don't know if it's anything special. Nope. I don't think so. So, just a face mask. I think that was everything in that bag. And I think I have one more. Ooh, this is a good shopping bag, man. With a fuzzy. So is this green tote bag with like teal turquoise handles. This is fabric. This feels like burlap. It is too chic. 100% jute. I don't know. Too chic. I have to look that up. I don't know. But this is a great thrifting bag. So, depending on the value of this, I may keep this and leave it in my vehicle. Because I always need more bags grocery shopping too. That would work. Alright, box is empty. Let's count and then we will discuss. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just 1 or 2. 10, 11, 12, 13.
I would say that was a pretty darn good first box, wouldn't you? I will definitely be making my money back, but I have a very good feeling that I will make a pretty decent profit off the box. And it will also kind of push me to dabble in category that I'm not familiar with when it comes to like the jewelry, well, and the sunglasses. Gotta look those up. I probably already told you if they're worth anything already, but that's future me, not current me. So what did you think of my first fun box? I've seen some pretty crappy boxes. So I would say this is a pretty good one. And the fact that one of those bags is considered as one item was full of stuff, that was pretty cool too. Put down below what your favorite item is. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Please consider subscribing on your way out. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next one.